youth development. So, allow na to how you pass or how you pass. Sige, hindi na ako magaya lang. I-appear sa notes. So, sa indicator number 1, sa health. Sa health. So, sundan lang sa health. Ang requirement natin sa health for the municipality, sinahan na kasaro na ito ang IPH plus ipat na indicators ikan sa 213. Sige. So, pasanta sa local investment plan for health. Isang pakpak. Increase on the proportion of households using safely managed drinking water services. Nakakuha na ako 98 for RG1 and nakakuha ako 97 sa RG2. Ang i-required lang minimum na requirement is 62%. So for increase on the proportion of households using safely managed sanitation services, ang i-required lang sa national is 53% na nakakuha ko 27. For both RG1 and RG2. Sa TB case notification rate na 10% ang required, more than 10% ang ating nakuha. Pila nito? 245. So, okay ang atong reform na sa TB notification. Sa TB treatment success rate, ang required is only 90%, but we were able to get 94 for RG1 and 98 for RG2. Sige. Kapit na mga kanihawaw karoon na sigwa na nima. Number 6, prevalence of stunting among children under 5 years old. Ang required is only 60 to 110% sa OPT. Ang nakuha nato is only 60.2. Kasi patakay na may .2. Mana siya, ako niya na lang ito magpapagpiluso. Sige. Number 7, fully immunized child cabinet. Required that to have 95% as a minimum requirement, but we will only able to get 6. Ayaw mo pagpapapar. Pero doon ang bisa, nga naman ay ang i-required rate is only 4 naman natin from 2 to 30 So, proportion of pregnant women with at least 4 pregnant check-up, ang requirement is 95%, but we were only able to get this national data 36. Ngayon na 36. So, i-improve lang nila ito ng mga target sa next year, nakuha ito taas-taas. Sa pamutana kung functional ba ang atong local health board, yes, only nga as I examine the documents sa executive order doon ay mga CEs hosted to as members, pero pwede natin i-correct. Correct natin natin. So, gitsika na lang din ako na kaya basing masuto ang atong buwan sa secretary. Gitsika na nato. Nakorek mo po, nakorek. Tinawag nakorek siya. So, So we need to have the CSO accredited by Sangguniang Bayan. So ang atong member, incorrect, ang atong member is are now accredited na sa Sangguniang. Number 10, percentage of adults 20 years old and above who were risk assessed using the field bed protocol. Again, ang atong target is 3%. O 8%, pero sad to say, ang atong nakuha is only 0.11. Ang tapos 1.11. 11.11. Basta 0.11. So, ang 8 man ang atong ban, ang atong minimum na requirement. So, as to the number of accredited consultant provider, we are only required to have 1, but we were able to provide 2. So, more than passing ang atong nakatan. So, institutionalized TRR and wage system. Yes, okay, nagpasatahan ng indicator. Niya functional ba ang atong epidemiology and surveillance unit? ISO, yes. Very functional. Based sa mga documents ng 50% nito. So, all in all, tanawon na ito, no? Balikan na ito. All in all, 4 man ang required plus kinahanglan ipasar na ito ang LIPH. Ang LIPH, okay na. Kaya nakapasar tayo sa 2, 3, 4, 5,
Upat kami ang ano, upat yung minimum.
7, 8, siyam. So nakuha na ang siyam. So we pass. Congratulations sa non-compliance responsiveness ng area. Proceed na sa youth development. Sa youth development, ang requirement na ito binanglan, masaroon na ito ang at least 3 out of 4 indicators. Sige. So, upat nga 4 indicators. Upat. Bisaya ka lang mag-isig. Isa nga ito, di ba tanong nila? Sige, sige. Upat. So, number 1 indicator sa youth development. Local Youth Development Council. Composition niya, sa iyang composition, nakita na po nga ang members, there are only 4 na members nga registered sa Youth Organization Registry Program sa National Youth Commission. For ang required din sa TICNOS is 5. So siguro before June 21, if we can have other organization registered na sa invite sa your habol pa rin ako. Tama ba? Basta na po sa ito niya. Hindi ay pwede ba? 19 o 19. So very considerate ko kay 21 na ako ilan 19. Pero 19. Sige. So i-check na lang nila ko lahat. Meetings. Nalay gamay na ako ang meetings na comply na ito. Pero nalang ko yung gamay na i-record documents. Notice of meetings. Nalalay notice of meetings. Sa notice of meetings na ay agenda. So actually doable ni siya. We can correct this before June 19. Sige. Sa trainings, nakita na po mga certificates presented by the Federation President and the LYDO. So, kasaltani. Niya established Local Youth Development Office. Doon na sila ipakita sa akong picture. designate for more than 1 year. But i-require na rin nga atong LYDO o designate siya is only good for January. So has not exceeded, dapat din siya mag-exceed of 1 year. May alagin re-appoint pero still designated na gyapon. I don't know. The same person was designated in 2022, given again designation, the same person pero designated na gyapon. Pwede, sige. Mas stricto na yung wali ko. Check. Sorry kayo, check. Okay, tanawa na ako. Sige. Database of Registered Youth Organization. Again, ang 8% is only for organization. Pero doon na sila data. So, i-check din namin siya only na ipat ko registered all other organization na operating sa youth organization namin. Okay. Sige. Check. Disbursement rate of at least 75% of budget appropriated for LYDO functions and operations. So, ang requirement na to, disbursement is 75%, but you were able to disburse 78%. Siya. Provision by LYDO, technical assistance. Doon na by technical assistance nga provide ang atong LYDO, kanda pa siya of training, na siya ang nag-resource person, siya ang nag-organize, nag-provide siya of technical assistance, the conduct of that training. So yes, siya, kayo were able to present the post-activity report with only nag-require ko na certificate from a requesting office. Isang nag-request ka. So, request dahil ang certificate. So, natapresent siya par, pero I would still need to request dahil certificate. Amin na. Sige, tika. Okay. So, presence of local youth development plan. Yes, is supported by the resolution number 22-181. Check. Provision of LGU support for youth development. Yes, there's a support from the LGU given to LYDO or youth development through ordinance number 2023-09 or nagakandak ko Policy on youth development. There are policies presented through resolutions and ordinances. Youth development facilities. There is also a designated municipal chief as youth development facility. There is an executive order. Then program for youth development. Yes, doon na sila program na ginimo. Nag-conduct sila of training on standard first aid orientation conducted last March 13 to 15, 2024. Okay, atong tanawon kung yung pasarba. So, tulo lang ang i-require pasar mo sa Local Youth Development Council sa pasar mo sa training lupa. Pasar mo sa Youth Development Office.
Tulo, awa na, pasar na.
Tulo.
Pasar na.
Yan sa LGU Support for Youth Development Upat. Pasar mo sa tanan ng indicator. So, congratulations sa...
Yay! Ilan na to? Lima na? Lima na, no? Lima pa. Oh.
Safety, peace, and order. So, kinahanglan pasaro na ito ang tanang indicator sa safety and peace and order. So, primero nga indicator peace and order council performance audit rating. Wala pa tayo data ni ini. Siguro ang atong focal person on peace and order, PUC, will be able to shed light on this. Number 2, Anti-Drug Abuse Council. Again, wag pa tayo data ni ini. Insa ng mga municipalities ang namasa. But sa provision of logistical support to the PNP, yes, nakapakita sila o mga support na through the document na ipakita katong form 2, certified form 2. Nakikita dito nga ang LGU mo provide fuel. Yan ang atang lang for the construction of the railway station for the maintenance of the building. So, okay siya sa number 3. Number 4, organize and train DPATs, barangay tanons, and PNP seminar unit. Yes, they were able to organize and train. Then, firecracker and pyrotechnics devices regulation. There is actually an ordinance regulating the sale, manufacture. Actually, doon ay ordinance regarding this. Wala ko ma-note ang ordinance number, pero nakita namin ang ordinance regulating the sale, the use, the manufacture of pyrotechnics. And there was also an executive order designating an area in LG where they can have sa tawag na fireworks. Sige. So congratulations again sa safety, peace, and order. Sa ba, we still do not know about this. Sige. Pero ayun po kung kailangan yung score sa order. So, let's just hope na doon na yung consideration sa national para makasama na. Pero kung ako ang inyong pabuto, hindi ko pabuto kay national. So again, for the safety, peace and order council, youth development, health compliance and responsiveness, just take note sa inyong mga deficiencies. Please, ito ko lang na ako. Minor lang ang mga deficiencies. We can do it until June 19. So congratulations, ayong hapon sa